I'm going to start with my Chanel-inspired design and do a Chanel-inspired arrangement in foam. I'm going to spin this around so I can see a little bit what I'm doing. Look at this vase. It's very cute. I'm going to group my pink hydrangeas together. I'm going to keep spinning it so you can watch along at home. I have flower design schools all over the country in 17 cities and in Paris, London, and Rome. If you want to learn how to design effectively and quickly, see me in class. I've got gorgeous hydrangeas from Colombia. A lot of our flowers, we import them from all over the world. And these happen to come from Colombia. So there's a buildup of my, almost look like she's wearing a hat at the moment. Okay, I'm here in LA today, teaching class at the LA School of Flower Design. Now I'm gonna add some spray roses, remind me of Coco Chanel. Lovely spray roses flying over. And I'll put in some stock. Stock is one of my favorite flowers. It's like Wall Street, stockbroker on Wall Street. People say, what'd you call it? It's called stock. Like stock on Wall Street, the stock market. Put a little in back, give it some depth. Always make sure your designs have depth, unless you're doing a flat wall church piece. Otherwise, put some depth in there. So that's where we're at so far. What else do I have? I got more blush pink spray roses. Always remind me of Paris. First time I went to Paris, I died. I had no idea what to expect. I thought, oh, I'll see the Eiffel Tower and go home. Well, as you know, if you've been there, that doesn't happen. You drool. I drooled for 7 days at the beauty of Paris. Oh, I've got tulips. Let's put some tulips in there. And what I'm doing is I'm basically painting with flowers. And if you learn in my school, I'll give you the exact reasons why. It's a science why I put a flower where I put it. It's very easy. Once my entrance exam to my school, I tell my students, if you've been to my school, you know the answer. It's 2 + 2 equals what? If you can answer that, you can do flower designing. I spent 15 years studying flower design, and after I was done, I thought I could learn that in a week. So that's what happens in our school. There's my Chanel-inspired design so far. I'm going to drip in a little bit of hanging eucalyptus. I don't know why I think of hanging flowers and I think of using this vase. Actually, it's beginning to look like she's wearing a big hat. So there we are, so far. Here comes the drama. I'm going to put in some big pink anthuriums shooting out of her head. Items, there we are so far. I've got Dusty Miller. Dusty Miller, perfect color for Chanel. This stuff does not hold up well. I talk about it in school. You gotta do it, you gotta use it when you buy it. I actually bought this yesterday, and so it's beginning to fade, but I can still use it. I'll work some of this in just because I love the gray color against the pink. A few more flowers. And, oh, I knew I had another one. Here it is. I've got one more. I like those flying, I call them flying buttresses of anthuriums. Join us in class. I'm telling you, my students do the most spectacular work. I've had students go to every school before mine and after mine, and they said, I spent $5,000 in 3 weeks in London, and I learned more from you in one day. I go, I know. That's because I spent 15 years studying it and realized I could have learned it all in a week. After that, the initial course is a week long, 25 different classes, explaining the relative very easy patterns in flower design that I seem to be about the only one who knows what they are. Sorry, but true, because people have gone to other schools and said, I didn't learn anything compared to yours. So, there it is. My Chanel inspired. Let's take a look. Can we see the lady down there looking through? There she is with her pearls. La 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 la. La la, and Rosa. Actually, about one more thing. Hold on, stay with me. Where should it go? Right there. With the sticker for Chanel. There you go. Thank you for being my students who inspire me every day. Your work is spectacular. Here was a 5-minute design I did. Go to flowerschool101.com and register there. I will teach you how to do this in a matter of days. It's easy breezy. Floral designing. Flowerschool101.com. Keep blooming.